Today we're making the easiest almond bread ever. This low-GI almond and seed bread is perfect for those who want to enjoy the taste and texture of bread without the blood sugar spike. It's also super simple to make with only 9 ingredients and 75 minutes of your time. Yes, I said 75 minutes, not 75 hours. I know you're going to love this one. First, grab your almond flour and seeds. For this recipe, I'm using a combination of sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds, and sesame seeds. And just like that, pour all the seeds into a large bowl. Now add your eggs one at a time, along with some salt, baking powder, and apple cider vinegar. Mix everything until well combined and the dough is starting to form. Next, knead the dough for a couple of minutes until it's smooth and elastic. If it's too sticky, add more almond flour, 1/4 cup at a time. Once you have even pieces, roll them out and place them in a greased loaf pan. Bake in a preheated oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 45 to 50 minutes, or until golden brown. While the bread is baking, let's talk about how amazing it is. Not only is it low GI, meaning it won't spike your blood sugar levels, but it's also packed with fiber, healthy fats, and protein. It's the perfect alternative to traditional bread, which can be high in carbs and sugars. Plus, it's so versatile. You can add different seeds and nuts to change up the flavor and texture. You can also add herbs, spices, or even sugar-free chocolate chips for a sweet treat. Just be sure to use a keto-friendly sweetener if you do add sugar. Once your bread is out of the oven, let it cool before slicing and toasting. And here's a pro tip: slice the bread before it's cool. It's much easier to do, and you can freeze the slices for quick toast anytime. Just wrap the slices in plastic wrap and store them in a freezer bag for up to 3 months. When you're ready to use them, simply pop a slice in the toaster oven or air fryer and enjoy. Now, you have a delicious, easy-to-make bread that you can enjoy without the guilt. So why wait? Give it a try today and tag me if you make it. I would love to see your creations. Till next time, happy baking and see you soon.